resiliency of that environment. Do I have 9 nines of resiliency?
Resiliency, right.
You know, those, you know, do I have, and then what's the availability guarantees of the specific, so it's kind of an interplay of what I ask my provider, but it always starts with, do they meet my business needs? And it's kind of a blinding flash of the obvious answer, and I apologize for that.
That's fine. That's good. Good.
Pretty sensitive.
Good. I do have a question now from somebody out there wanting to ask about how you see the potential of cloud technology for developing countries and therefore infrastructures.
Yeah, that's the on-demand aspects of this is really, you know, when you look at developing countries. That's an excellent question, and it's one that I'm very interested in personally myself. And it is a phenomenal opportunity because when you think about it, I can't necessarily, you know, data centers are expensive in wealthy countries. They're just as expensive, and then you have you have confidentiality, integrity, and availability, right? Let's talk security only, let alone. And availability is a system property. In other words, it's affected not just by the application and the hardware, but it's affected by the external environment, the electricity, the technical infrastructure. In some places, it's more robust than others. Not necessarily worse in the third world, by the way. For emerging countries, I think the power is the scalability and the buy-the-SIP aspects of this. Now, if you look at purchasing power parity, you know, the expense of $1 in the U.S. versus the expense of $1 or in another country, you know, they could still be expensive. But you can get a micro for pennies on the dollar and still use